Welcome to my channel. My name is Elias. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. Now, today we're going to be talking about email marketing and email autoresponders and how you can set yours up and get your email set up as well. Also, we're going to be talking about integrating your autoresponders to your funnel software and integrating your list to your funnel specifically. Also, we're going to be talking about how you can take your affiliate links and put them into your funnel so you get credit and you get those commissions that you want. So let's get right into it.
You're probably asking, Elias, do I really need to do email marketing? Is it really that important? And trust me, this is the number one thing you want to pay most attention to. Email marketing is gonna be the backbone of your business. It's gonna be doubling, tripling, quadrupling your income and making those sales for you. Because on average, it takes 7 to 8 times for a customer to see a product before they buy. So the one time you send them over to a product or service, they're most likely not gonna buy. So that emails you're gonna send up, the follow-up emails you're gonna send up is gonna be what's crucial. It's gonna be what's making you those commissions. So rather than making $100 a day, you're gonna be making thousands a day with email marketing. But it doesn't have to be a daunting task. And let me show you. As you can see here, we're on AWeber.com. This is most user-friendly email autoresponder out there. They're all the same, right? They're all tools that you do the same thing. It is completely free to start. All you gotta do is enter your information and sign up. Let's talk about the pricing here before we get started. As you can see here, we have a pro version that's $16.15 a month and a free version that's free, right? So let's talk about some of the benefits of both. The pro version obviously has unlimited everything, unlimited subscribers, unlimited emails, unlimited list. The free version has 500 subscribers, 3,000 per month emails, and one list you can create. So subscribers is essentially the people, how many people you can have on your email list. So 500 people or 500 email addresses on your list. Your email sends, obviously, that's pretty self-explanatory. How many emails you can send per month. And your list profile. This is what a list is. What exactly? Let's say you're promoting one product, essentially one list. So you can only really provide one list on the free version. But to get you started off, for 500 emails subscribers, this is a pretty big number, especially when starting off. Once you hit 500, you should be making a pretty good monthly income, and you can have upgraded. So free version is an awesome way to get started without spending any money. So once you sign up and once you get that started, you're gonna have a home page. 1, 2, 3, test, cut. Once you get started, you're gonna have an account dashboard like this. This is my dummy account here, but here's some important information here. Let me get my marker out. You're gonna have your subscribers here. This is where you can see all your subscribers from all your lists. Obviously, if you have a free version, you're only gonna have one list. Total subscribers, how many added today, yesterday, how many unsubscribed, everything like that. If you have sales and stuff. Also, if you send out any broadcasts or anything like that, it's very important here. Over here on your left, you're gonna have messages, subscribers, sign up form, and you get rid of this. Landing pages, list options, all this information here. Over here, you can see your list. If you have more than one, you can see all your list. But this is pretty self-explanatory, pretty user-friendly. So let's get into the meat and bones of this, right? Where can I create messages? Where can I create emails? Over here on the left, let me mark it out. On the messages, this is where you would hit the messages, and I would just hit the first message. This is your drafts here, as you can see here. This is where you can create messages. If you hit this green button, you can do blog drafts, blog broadcast drafts. And over here on this, you also have several overage split test campaigns. Campaigns is really the big one we'll talk about next. But this is where you want to start creating your messages here. But rather than starting creating your own, I want to give you a little tip. I know I talked about the last video. If you haven't watched it, check that out. But I suggested if you wanted to get started, we have the Brain Training Dog product on ClickBank. Let's say you do want to get started with that. They have their own emails that you can select and just copy and paste. Here's the secret of making your dog's problem behavior disappear. So let's just copy the subject line and go back to our messages. So what you want to do to create your first draft message is create message and just do the drag and drop email builder. It's super simple. It's going to pop up here. And you can see here it says, hi, first name, thank you for being a loyal email subscriber. But let's just as you can see on the top here, insert your subject line. So let's insert what we copied here, the secret of making your dog's problem behavior disappear. And then what we want to do is go back to that page and just copy the email. Copy, and then select, and then paste. And then I like to adjust the font. And there we go. Now, obviously this doesn't look very good here, so what you can do is also adjust the line height to like 2, make it look a little nicer, or do whatever you want, right? This is just a template, but this is a good example where you don't have to write your own emails. You can just copy and paste from specifically good products here. Once you copy and paste and fix it up to your liking, you can highlight the blue markings here and click the link right here. And here's where you drop your link. So how do we get our affiliate link? Let's go back to our ClickBank as we talked about. Brain training for dogs. Let's promote that. Let's make this bigger. As you can see here, account nickname, the mentor. Oh, all you have to do is generate the hop link and it's going to give you this specific link. Hit the little clipboard. Once we're ready to go, we can just go back to our message and paste that link. It's going to give us a green check mark and we're good to go. And just do that to all the ones here we see. And we'll just keep doing that to each one that we see. So now that's done, we have our full message. This is one full draft here. And it's just as we can preview and test. So this is the whole message here that you would send out. Each one of these links would go to your affiliate link. It's as simple as that, guys. We really did this in under like 2 minutes. And once we're done, we can save and exit. And our draft stays here. So what do we do now? What is the next task? Well, now what's going to happen to us to automate this is let's go to campaigns. And let's just create a campaign. You're going to hit create a blank campaign. And we're just going to put dog training. Right here, dog training. Create. And you're going to hit unsubscribe. What that means is once you have a new subscriber, someone enters your email, that's going to automatically trigger this. So you're going to send a message. And the reason why I did the drafts, all you can do is choose a message and choose that one that you have. Select, and that message is going to be done. Now, you have these other ones here. You have wait. Wait is essentially the action you wanted to do. If you wanted to, or the wait action, right? And you can specifically say how long you wanted to wait. And then you have an apply tag. This is just a more, more intermediate feature. I wouldn't worry about it at the moment. Your really big ones is send a message and wait. So you're gonna hit wait, and I would just suggest doing 1 day, and then send a new one, send a new message. And then what you would do, I'm not gonna walk you through it because it's pretty much the same thing. Just go back to your emails and do the second email, do the third email, and do the fourth email, and the fifth one here. So you would just do this 5 times, or 5 messages, right? 5 emails. And boom, you're done. You're sending out 5 emails at that point, and this is your campaign. So every time someone subscribes to your email list, the first message is going to be sent out automatically. It's going to wait a day. Then the next message is going to be sent out automatically, wait a day. Next message sent automatically, wait a day, and so on. You get the point, right? That's it. That's it. That's all you have to do with this. And once you're done, you're going to save and exit. Obviously, it's just found to have no messages there. You save and exit, and you have that ready. So every time someone subscribes, that message is going to be sent out, and you don't have to touch or do any emails on that point. Everything gets sent out with your affiliate link. So when someone opens that email and reads your email and they find it enticing, they're gonna hit that link and they're gonna go back to that sales page and they're gonna buy a product. Now, I always recommend, these done for you emails are great. Just I would suggest maybe fix them up, or make them to your more personable to yourself, so that way people can tell. Sometimes people can tell, hey, this is pretty much copy and paste. Make it to yourself, make it more personable, or write your own, whatever it is. But this is an easy way to just get started right away, not having to write your emails. So what's the next step? How do you integrate your email autoresponder to your funnel software, to your affiliate links? Well, let's talk about this. Let's get you started. So you're on AWeber right now, but let's flip back to ClickFunnels. You're gonna hit the right where your company name, where your account is. You're gonna hit account settings. It's gonna take you to this dashboard here. On the setup section, you're gonna hit integrations. It's gonna take you to this page. You're not gonna see this stuff here because your account's completely new, but you're gonna hit add new integrations. Here, you're gonna have all the integrations here. You have several, but if you're using AWeber, you would hit AWeber and you would just hit connect. It shows me a warning because I'm already connected to it, but you would just hit connect and we'll walk you through it. You would sign into your AWeber and ask you for some information, but it's as simple as that. Now that connects your accounts, right? Your AWeber account to your ClickFunnels account. So how do you connect your list, right? That campaign we just made, we want to make sure those emails get sent out. So you have to connect your list as well to your funnel, not just your account. So let's talk about that next. All right, we're on our dog training funnel here, and we're in our opt-in page. So what you want to do is go to your opt-in page, hit the edit page, and over here we're on our regular page, right? So let me get my marker out. You want to hit the settings here. You're gonna hit settings and then you're gonna hit integrations. And you're just gonna show like here, like this here. So what you want to do is select integrations and you're gonna hit AWeber or whatever software you have. You're gonna actions, gonna select integrations, you're gonna hit integrate existing list. Here, select a list. It's gonna show you all the lists that you have, and you just have to select the list that you want. If it was dog training or wherever you named it, it will show up here once you connected it to your funnel. Once that's connected, it's gonna be good to go, and that's all you have to do. Make sure you save it, and that's it. You connected your integration, you connected your funnel to your email autoresponder, then you connected your list to your specific funnel. Now, how do you connect your affiliate link? Well, let's talk about that. Let's go back and let's go to your thank you page here. Your thank you page, you're gonna edit the page, and this is where someone would click to go to the next page, to the sales page. So the first thing you want to do is where it says show me here, you can double click that, or click it, or hit the setting button right here. And you're gonna hit the edit action, the set action, and here is go to website URL. You're gonna want to remove this, and then go back to your ClickFunnels or to your ClickBank hop link and copy that hop link again. Once you copy that, all you want to do is enter that, and you're good to go. Now make sure that everything that's entered here, it's changed. So you gotta go down and hit the next one. Select set action, remove this, and enter your new one or your specific one. And scroll down and see if there's another one. There's 3 on this page. Just keep doing it over and over again until you have all of them complete. Once that's done, you are ready to go. So when someone enters their email, it's going to be automatically subscribed to your list. It's going to be automatically going to your dog training list here. Campaigns are going to be sent out. Your first email is going to be sent out, and the next day, the next email is going to be sent out. Then also you have your campaign, your funnel set up that once someone goes through it, they're going to click that button and it's going to send them to that email list. So you have everything integrated. You have your hop links going. You have your affiliate links going. So when someone does go through your funnel and buys, you're going to receive profit and you're going to receive commission.
Now, by the end of this video, you'll know how to build your email responders, you know how to build your funnels, and then you know what affiliate marketing is and how to choose the right product. You pretty much have the whole picture, but there's one missing part, which I'm going to be talking about next video. So it's not something you're not going to want to miss out, because the very most important part is driving traffic. Now, before we get to that, I want to make sure you get everything set up. So take the steps, take the action, build your email autoresponder for whatever product you're choosing. Or if you're following along with me and doing a dog product, get that done. And I'll see you on the flip side. But before, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the next video.